Have a small business looking for funding? Where in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get approved for up to $150,000 without even getting a credit check. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair experience into your own hands. In today's video, I'm super excited because I have a banger. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get approved up to $150,000 line of credit for your small business today, guys. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps us actually grow and it allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience and allows the likes to stay on. Guys, let's dive straight in the meat and potatoes. But before we get into the meat and potatoes, if you have any derogatory marks, I mean collections, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, guys, we have even removed student loans with this software. Go over to mycreditapproved.com. It is a one-stop shop to remove all derogatories from your credit report, and it also has some credit building. So not only does it have a credit repair platform, but it has credit building portion where you can build your credit and work on removing the negative items as well. Guys, go over to mycreditapproved.com. It has over 150 letters that was designed and orchestrated by our underwriters and our attorneys, and has strategic planning to remove all of those items. Go to mycreditapproved.com. All right, let's dive straight in the meat and potatoes. Now, this is an interesting product. It really and truly is. We're actually going to do the full breakdown of this product. The product that we're talking about today is called Funbox. Funbox is a institution that tailored to small businesses, and they have credit lines where you can actually get up to $150,000. So let's dive into the video and let's transition to my screen so I can show you the exact recipe you need to get approved for this loan today. This is Funbox. Funbox is the institution that we are going to be talking about today, and this is their website. This is actually how they are originating the loan. So let's scroll down a little bit. As you can see, they are offering the $150,000 loan. Now, I do want to give you guys some insights for everyone that's here for the bad credit term. Now, you are able to get a line of credit with them with bad credit if they base the majority of the decision from your bank account. So a lot of times they are able to give you lines of credit just off weighing the decision from your bank activity and how it is operated, meaning how your deposit is, if you have a negative or a positive balance at the end of your cycle, things like that. All of those factors will hold weight in your decision outside, and a lot of times they have an option to pay you guys within a few hour time frame. I've heard people get approved upward to $30,000 within the first hour of calling. So the funding happens at a very fast pace, and it goes into your account within the first 24 to 48 hours for the larger lines. There is no hard pull on your credit report, so that's a great reminder and a great add-on for any of the features that this loan provides. And it gives you two options to pay. So the two options to pay is split between a line of credit and the term loan, right? The line of credit is a revolving business line, and it's up to $150,000. The repayment is for 12 to 24 weeks, and your available credit goes back up as you pay. So outside of the repayment for the 12 to 24 week period, is just like a credit card. Every time you pay into a credit card, you get that money back. If you have a $500 limit credit card and you max it out to $400 and you pay the $400, you have the $400 available again once that money clears. It's something similar to that. Once you pay into this line of credit, you actually have that funds available once that clear. Now, the second option is the term loan, I believe. Some business loans up to $150,000, and the repayment is over a 24 to 52 week, no origination fee and no prepayment penalty. So there is no penalties for paying the loan off earlier. This is the insights. I guess this is the back office, a brief description of it. It gives you a overview of exactly how it looks on the back office. You can see your total cash balances across the accounts all in one place. The customized predictions and alerts about your cash flow. The application is very fast. The application is very easy. It's not hard at all, and it's very easy to get approved for. Now, if you do not have great credit, what you do want to make sure of is that you put yourself in a position where you are having a solid bank account. The more solid your bank account is, the better chances that you would have to getting approved. Now, I haven't heard anyone get approved for the total of the $150,000 if you have bad credit. Those amounts that I've seen people get approved, if I'm being honest, all had good credit. That's why you need to go to My Credit Approved and get those derogatories off, because at the end of the day, like I always say in all my videos, at the end of the day, eventually you're going to have to handle the debt. You're going to have to handle the derogatories. You're going to have to handle and get those items removed. Go over to mycreditapproved.com and get all of those derogatories removed. This is the application screen. It's very easy. It's not a long-winded process, and it's not hard to get approved for it. What you just have to make sure is that you are, like I said, giving them what they need. Now, I know you can get the 10K fairly easy. They are notorious for giving 10K out to people, even especially the ones with bad credit, but they will also give you 30K. So if you don't get approved for, if you do need some additional funding outside of the 10K, you have bad credit, you need up to 30K, they will give you the 30K, but you have to give your tax returns and show them, I think it's 1 year of tax returns, and they give you the 30K even if you have bad credit. Now, the thing is, guys, if you do have bad credit, like I say in all my videos, what you want to do is build a relationship, right? You want to put yourself in a position where you are building a relationship with these institutions, even with bad credit. So with the 10K, you can get the 10K with bad credit, and if you are appropriating the loan and allowing the loan to season over time and marinate over time, where you are showing them that you have a long-term relationship with them, where you can handle very good balances, you can handle a very good payment history, etc., etc. That is majority of what these institutions need to push you to these larger lines of funding, is just a small window of knowing that you can appropriate any terms of funding. They typically don't care that much about your past, as long as you show them confidence for them to give you funding for a bright future. Guys, if you find any of this information helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Like I said, it helps us actually grow within the YouTube algorithm and allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience. Guys, until next time, take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Credit Coach Q out.